Hello, it's another solo taste test from Haley. I was gonna do my friend with a live stream during this, but I have no idea how to do that right now because that'd be awkward. So, also I don't know if she's asleep. So let's see. Let's go with what would probably be the most boring tasting thing. We got Cheerios. These are the Honey Nut Cheerios. I got this at the dollar store, so it has this nice little sachet and doesn't open all the way. It's a Ziploc one, so that's pretty good. So we pour some in, Ziploc it shut. I wonder how long does it keep it fresh for? Well, it looks like little O's. They like to float on top pretty nicely. They have barely a smell. They're like sweetened cardboard. But they taste more natural. If that makes any more sense. Because we've had cardboard before. But this is actually pretty tasty cardboard. Tastes kind of healthy for you. And again, I poured too many Oreos. Or Cheerios. Oh my god, Oreos. That'd be weird to try. So, yeah. If you don't want anything too spectacular, but not too plain, that's actually pretty good. Okay. What should be next? Stay. Well, this looks like a downer. Fruit Loops. Again, this is from the dollar store. That one's below the line. See, they have a line there, and it's below the line where you get to rip. Has the same issue. Oh, that smells so fake. And if you have never seen Fruit Loops, they're colorful balls of, I don't know, they just look like colorful round Oreos. Or Cheerios. Why do I keep saying Oreos? I don't like Oreos. It looks like a fantastical beast has pooped in my milk bowl. Oh, that is fake fruity. Let's see. Yeah, I'll give it to them this. They each have a slightly different flavor. Do they have a real flavor? No, but they all have a slightly different one. So your bite can be different in each bite, depending on what colors you get. Like, that was pretty mild. So a little bit more explosive. See, it seems to be purple and orange and stuff like that that combine to make the biggest fruit flavor. But it's fake fruit. It's definitely fake fruit. It does not taste like real fruit at all. I don't know what it tastes like, so I'm just going to say Fruity Pebbles. Does it taste bad? No. Does it taste good? No. Would it be okay? Yes. 22 grams of sugar versus 9. I can tell you that's definitely sweeter. Okay. Next up is Captain Crunch. I heard you got a lot of different odd ones. So let's see what the Crunch Master is like before we eventually get to the odd flavor things. Well, here's one criticism. The background has a fishing dude, and if you look at it at the right angle, it just looks like there's hair in there. Okay, so it's yellow squares with some oddly colored balls. And I remember when they had these things come out for the first time. Well, not the first time. The first time they came out with new colors. And it was just crazy. Like, I actually got one. Mixed berry. It's one side, okay. It's purple and red. So that's a mixed berry. Which we got a couple mixed berries in here. Again, not a real fruit flavor. I can't really describe the flavor either. Slightly reminds me of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But I'm not really sure. I do like the crunch on this one though. So, it does look pretty colorful on the spoon. And I will have to put at this, I like it better than Fruit Loops. However, it is fake sweet. It has fake berry. It has more sugar. But it is 16 grams of sugar, so it's less than Fruit Loops. Okay. I think it is one of the youngest cereals out there. Reese's Puffs. And I remember them saying, oh my god, you cannot have cereal as breakfast. Well, apparently watch me. This has the worst thing. I can't get into it. Guys, make your tears good tears. Not everybody carries scissors. Okay, it smells very peanut buttery. And I think those are supposed to be chocolate balls, but they all look the same, kind of. Just some are a little bit darker. Yeah. The two different balls. Focus on this, please. Thank you. So, fragrance-wise, they are the strongest fragrance. It's pretty much just eating peanut butter. You don't get much of that chocolatey taste. It pretty much just tastes like Reese's peanut butter. So I will give them this. It kind of has a corn puff texture. And at the same time, it kind of feels like there's peanut butter on top of it. So they did have that. So it's kind of like a donut. And yes, I know there's donut cereal out there. Why do you think I started this new part of the series? And let's see. Sugar, 24. Oh, wait, 12 grams. That is not bad for cereal. 12 grams of sugar. For how sweet it is, yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, next up, I just got this today. And, Fragile. Yeah, apparently they still squished the box. Okay, so this Kellogg's Frosted Mini Wheats filled with mixed berry. It smells weird. It kind of smells like mixed berry, but I think I'm not. Okay, so let those sit. Okay. So according to this, it's 41 grams of whole grain, 6 grams of fiber, made with fruit, 10 layers of wheat. Well, if you can't handle wheat, this is bad for you. And this is 11 grams of sugar. Good to know. And unlike the other cereals, they all sank to the bottom. I got soggy fast. Kind of tastes like a Pop-Tart. Really weird. Well, trying to bite one in half is like almost impossible. The flavors are fighting with each other. It feels like neither one of them is stronger. It feels unbalanced too. The mixed berry kind of tastes like grape. Well, if you like playing hide and seek with your cereal, I think I paid $3 for this. I don't think it's worth it. It is lackluster. I think this might be a fun idea, but this didn't work very well. And last up is Kellogg's limited edition strawberry chocolate. Wow, that is strong strawberry scented. A lot of flakes. Where are there's some chocolate bits. Oh, come on. Where's the strawberry bits? first off, it needs more strawberry and chocolate bits. So many of these. Like, it's called strawberry chocolate, and you see, it looks like there's a plenty on the spoon. But if you look at my bowl, I just grabbed a whole thing of just the wheat things. Which these things are vaguely flavored like strawberry. But it's mostly ground, whatever these flakes are, corn flakes. Wheat flakes, I don't know. They're the flakes of the cereal. The chocolate you get is like little chocolate bars, which, yeah, that's just a chocolate bar. Really tiny. I kind of would want to see more transformation. And these are just dried strawberries. So in reality, you can just take tiny little bits of your chocolate, just sprinkle it over with some dried strawberries over your cereal and make the same thing, and you probably get more strawberries and more dried chocolate, or more chocolate and dried strawberries. Does it work? Duh. I mean, when have you heard of chocolate covered strawberries or chocolate strawberries not working? It's good. The sugar content is 12 grams, so not bad. So far, Fruit Loops has been the worst, and it hadn't even tasted that great. So, not bad, not good. This has been interesting. I will catch you guys later. Bye.